From museum walls to mansion halls, this is New York City real estate on another level. My name is Chris Jordan. I'm a luxury real estate agent here in New York City, and this is episode 2 of my top 5 favorite listings on the market right now. Let's check them out. At number 5, we're kicking the tour off in Chelsea in a prime location with unbeatable value. 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath for under $2 million. Let's go. Let's check out this 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath in the heart of Chelsea. We're going to begin in the dining area where you're immediately greeted by elegance, featuring honed Arabescato bluette marble countertops that elevate the entire space. Next, we're going to move into the first bedroom. The first bedroom is currently styled as a home office, perfect for remote work or creative space. Now, just off the hallway, we're going to make our way to the powder room. The powder room is sleek, modern, and ideal for guests. Adjacent to the powder room is the main bathroom. The main bathroom is wrapped in luxurious Pellegrino vein marble tiles. The walk-in shower is finished with Allura gray marble, creating a spa-like retreat. Then, we're going to make our way to the main bedroom. The main bedroom has a ton of space, good light, and a really relaxing vibe. This unit is in the heart of Chelsea for $1.995 million. Let me know what you think about it, and I'll see you on the next one. Now, number 4 is not just a tour. This one is about evolution, and we're watching the Upper East Side evolve right in front of our eyes. Now let's see. Let's check out this 1,300 square foot 2-bedroom residence with north and east exposures. We're going to begin in the secondary bedroom, which features its own en-suite bathroom, modern, sleek, and thoughtfully designed for comfort and privacy. Light pours into the secondary bedroom, and the proportions feel just right. Just down the hall, you have a powder room that is thoughtfully designed. You got stylish fixtures, elegant finishes, and it's totally guest-ready. But let's check out the primary suite. This primary suite is private and peaceful. This corner retreat includes a private balcony, a generous walk-in closet, and a luxurious en-suite bathroom. The primary suite has a whole vibe of its own, bright, open, and wrapped in sunlight from the balcony-facing windows. Now, the en-suite bathroom, you're going to find a double vanity, a deep soaking tub, radiant heated floors, and a glassed enclosed shower, all wrapped in Venato porcelain tiles, ascended with Italian marble and polished nickel fixtures. Now, let's step into the heart of the home. An open kitchen with a large marble waterfall island, perfect for entertaining, outfitted with a full Miele appliance suite, Scavallini cabinetry, and signature polished nickel fixtures. The kitchen flows effortlessly into a 32-foot living and dining space, light-filled, expansive, and inviting. And just beyond the floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors, your second private balcony, creating an ideal indoor-outdoor lifestyle. Let's keep it going. At number 3, we're taking a trip to the West Village. They might be mad at me for showing you guys this one because this address is so private, even locals can miss it. Good thing for you, I know exactly where to look. Let's go. You would never guess this home is in the West Village. Honestly, this might be one of the most private places in the entire neighborhood. But let's start outside with this gated front patio. It's quiet, tucked away, and perfect for morning coffee, dinner with friends, or just getting some work done in peace. But let's take a look inside. You've got 2 full bedrooms and a bonus den that can easily work as a home office or guest space, whatever fits your vibe. The kitchen is a chef's dream, but it also got that timeless classic charm. Think clean lines, warm finishes, and a layout that just makes sense. It balances elegance with everyday comfort. Downstairs, you got a bathroom with sleek glass enclosed showers. Everything you need, nothing you don't, just clean, modern setup. Now let's head upstairs to the main living area. Right off the landing, you got a beautifully finished bathroom with a jacuzzi tub and a rain shower. Perfect for winding down or starting your day off right. No overthinking, just done right. Now, let's step into the primary bedroom. It's oversized, filled with soft natural light, and has that kind of layout that gives you room to breathe. Whether you're setting it up as a cozy escape or something more minimal, it's the kind of space that instantly makes sense the moment you walk in. And just off the bedroom, you got your own private balcony overlooking a quiet lane. And then there's this room. And honestly, I'm not even going to label it. The current owner has it as a closet, but you could turn it into anything. Yoga space, studio, reading nook, it's that flexible. Also, check out that skylight. Yes, you can walk on it. And it brings that kind of light that completely transforms the space. But let's head to the lower level. This home is just filled with so much natural light, and I think a lot of that is thanks to the soaring 12-foot ceiling. As we make our way downstairs, we're going to pass through the living area once more. But let's check out the den. The den is a cozy, tucked-away space that offers real privacy. It's quiet, versatile, and truly feels like a home within a home. There's even a wine fridge down here. Again, so many ways you could use this space. What makes this apartment really special is how it blends historic charm with flexible living, all right in one of New York City's most iconic neighborhoods. You guys let me know what you think of this apartment, because I think it was very unique and I enjoyed this space. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Now, at number 2, we're on the Upper West Side, and we got a special one. One of the biggest condos in the neighborhood. 4,000 square feet of pure elegance. Roll the clip. First, we start in the foyer, and honestly, this apartment is so expansive, I barely know where to begin. But let's kick things off with this elegant powder room. It instantly sets the tone for the charm and sophistication you'll see throughout. The entry foyer opens into a stunning 22-foot gallery, gracefully connecting the east-facing dining room to a sun-drenched living room that wraps around the southeast corner. But don't worry, we'll explore the living room a little later. Let's check out the kitchen. The kitchen's a chef's dream. It features a cozy dining nook by the window, perfect for morning coffee or casual meals. You have marble countertops, custom cabinetry, and a top-of-the-line Miele appliances, including a 6-burner Venet stove with a pot filler. It's not just high-end, it's high-function. You've got space, storage, and style. And one of my favorite things about this kitchen, you have a wet bar with a wine fridge and extra storage. Every detail was thoughtfully designed in this kitchen here. But let's check out the secluded primary suite. The primary suite is essentially its own private wing. This space is grand. The suite includes 2 fully outfitted dressing closets. You have plenty of room for the seasonal rotation and then some. You also have a luxurious ensuite bath with heated floors, double sinks, a soaking tub, and an oversized glass shower. This bathroom is true spa quality. Even the lighting in here hits just right. Warm, soft, and relaxing. I mean, it gets no better than this. But let's check out the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is framed by oversized windows and flooded with soft natural light. This primary bedroom blends elegance with intentional design, warm wood tones, high ceilings, and soft light make everything in here feels curated to calm and inspire. Now, let's head to the other wing of the apartment. We're going to pass back through the dining room and into the grand 27-foot living room. The living room have 2 windows that face east over the museum park and 3 that face south, offering tree-lined views and an incredible sense of light and space. This room is honestly made for entertaining. This wing smartly separates the 3 additional bedrooms from the entertaining areas. Here you'll find a laundry room, and just off the hall, we have another bedroom. Adjacent to this bedroom is a bathroom. The bathroom is beautifully finished with sleek tiles and elegant fixtures. Then here we have a mudroom with additional storage and another entrance. Next we have the third bedroom. It's generally sized with plenty of natural light pouring in. Whether you use it as a guest suite or home office is versatile and thoughtfully laid out. And just off the bedroom, you got a beautifully finished bathroom. Clean lines, sleek fixtures, and a modern stand-in shower. It gives it a fresh, contemporary feel. It's private, practical, and blends seamlessly with the rest of the home's design. And finally, we got the last bedroom. It's generously sized, filled with natural light, ready for whatever you need it to be. This apartment is a true rarity on the Upper West Side, a perfect blend of scale, elegance, and location. One of the Upper West Side largest condos, going for $8.995 million. All right, let's hurry up and get into number 1. Number 1, do not need an introduction. This apartment is not only to house art, this apartment, it is art. Check it out. Let's begin in the elegant powder room. The powder room is subtle yet sophisticated, setting the tone for what's to come, featuring Hone Agora black Turkish marble countertops with integrated sinks and aqua brass fittings and polished nickels.
From there, we move into the expansive living and dining area. This unit is an extravagant 4,100 square foot condo that makes you feel like you're living in an art gallery, where light pours in and the energy of Turtle Bay posted just outside your windows. You can feel the vibrancy. This is classic Midtown luxury with contemporary edge. You get a downtown layout with Midtown at your doorsteps. The developer's a genius for this one. But let's step into the chef's kitchen. The chef's kitchen is a true masterpiece by Forster & Partners. You have white oak cabinetry with integrated bronze detail pulls, cabinet-fronted Gaggenau appliances, and a brushed stainless steel knife edge countertop and backsplash. Everything is intentional down to the embedded ventilation and soft LED lighting. Right off the kitchen, we have a versatile room. This room is perfect for wherever you need it to be. You can use it as a study room, guest room, or intimate lounge. Next, as we pass through the kitchen, we're going to see the first of two primary suites. First up is the walk-in closet. Roomy, refined, and perfectly suited for city living. And now, we arrive at the luxurious, spa-inspired en-suite bathroom. You have radiant heated concrete floors underfoot, a white oak vanity topped with silver striato travertine slab and integrated sink. It's the kind of bathroom that makes everyday rituals feel like a retreat. Let's check out the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom have expansive windows that invite the skyline in, wrapping the room in natural light and serenity, creating a peaceful escape high above the city, enhancing a clean design and open layout with depth, brightness, and a constant sense of movement. Now, let's make our way back through the great room as we come up on the second primary suite. You can never underestimate the value of a well-designed walk-in closet. It adds ease, elegance, and a touch of everyday luxury. I feel like walk-in closet makes your morning better, but maybe it's just me. And a mirror inside the walk-in closet, extra bonus. The secondary primary bedroom continues the theme of the first one, with oversized windows, open air, and that sense of effortless space that's so rare in Midtown. And the second full en-suite bathroom mirrors the elegance of the first as well, complete with a freestanding Apaiza soaking tub, a private water closet with a Toto Neo rest, and aqua brass fixtures throughout. It's not just a bathroom, it's a statement. I don't really have favorites, but this unit was one of my favorites. I absolutely love this unit. You guys let me know what you think about it, and I'll see you on the next one.
This concludes episode 2 of my top 5 favorite units on the market right now. I want to thank you guys for joining me. If I got the order wrong, just comment below. If not, I will see you on the next one. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, comment, subscribe, because we're doing many, many more. Chris Jordan.